I'm sort of new here, so I was just like wondering what were some people's first trucks that they were rolling around in when they got their first vehicle when they turned 16. Probably the worst generation of F-150s you could possibly get.
So
but
it is?
let's go for it.
It's a 10th gen F-150. I had a 97.
Why are you looking at me?
I
didn't stack nothing.
I know you didn't, but both of us know someone who did.
I'm not completely against it, but I'm also not completely for it.
You have to be careful with it, right?
1994 to 2001 second gen Dodge.
B. Whoa! I can't believe you put the second gen as an F.
Yeah, have you seen it?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawsville Custom Offsets. Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawsville Custom Offsets. Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawsville Custom Offsets. All right, to start off the review, we gotta put these things through our burnout test. All right, I'm just kidding. This is Sean's Tacoma, man. I wanna keep my job. Let's get on with the review. We actually ran into Ray while walking out of dinner one night when we were down here, and we just had to shoot his truck. This thing is beautiful. Once again, thank you to Wicked for letting us take these out to bring you guys this awesome content. Their kits are super awesome. 12 to 14 inch coilovers. He's also got 26s and 37s. He actually also added some air in the front. This thing's massive, it's beautiful. Everything looks amazing on this truck. So we're down here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and we actually met up with Kenny, AKA Miami Boosted. All right, so you just finished it. If you were to sell this truck today, right now, what do you think you could get for it?
Dude, I would ask like 95 to 100 to be honest with you.
Yeah?
Today, I'm extremely excited to announce that we are officially expanding into the performance. Gotta go!
Yeah, we're custom offsets.
Oh shit, nuh-uh.
Yeah, swear to God.
That's bad.
Yeah, you guys want to be in our vlog?
Yeah.
Say what's up.
Y'all. What's up, bro? What's up?
So it can't be gummy worms because then I would die from like
I guess.
Probably macaroni and cheese. I feel like that's a good balance.
Hell, I bought that 250. That 77 had a gas. I pulled it out, put 12 valve Cummins in. We're down here in Daytona Beach at Daytona Truck Meet, and we had to meet up with Dude and Maddie to take a look at their Jeep.
More top secret stuff. We are going to be launching a 17 and 18 inch program.
Busch Light or Bud Light? People want
I'm Bud Light.
26s? Yeah. You're sitting like fender to lip back there like a car. Like, that's nuts.
Boy, it actually goes lower than that.
Lower? How lower? What?
Yeah.
You see lifted trucks all the time. You don't see many squatted trucks.
12 valve or 24 valve Cummins?
I don't know which one goes faster.
All right, next. 12 valve or 24 valve Cummins?
How about Jettas, baby? I got the 24 valve VR6 Jetta.
Do you know what a mud cricket is? Do you know what a mud cricket is? Have you ever heard of a mud cricket?
I don't want to know what a mud cricket is.
That's probably for the best. How's it feel that a tuned and deleted diesel would shit on your Ferrari? 6.0 or 6.4 power stroke?
6.6 Duramax.
All right, Dalton, Whistling Diesels, 2nd gen. Take us through it. Like what?
10 minutes later, I sent out the money, and I know it probably sounds dumb by looking at this truck because it's got a bent frame and it's rough and it's got sandpaper paint job.
Holy shit. Oh my God. Dude, that is a beast.
That's pretty crazy.
What is it that you enjoy most about building?
Just going as crazy as I can, really. Seeing what I can do to make someone laugh or to make someone go, wow, or why would this kid do that?
I'm trying so hard not to lose.
All right, man, but seriously, I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys coming out. It's great to meet you. It's been a blast. To many more. We'll see you guys in SEMA. We'll see you in a couple months. Can't tell them though. So, that's that. Take care of it. Be nice to her, please.
We will. Of course. You know where to find it. Yeah.
It's like a breakup. You have to like give her some space.
Yeah.
You have to unfollow us. Yeah, exactly.
We're not going to do anything dumb with this thing. Obviously, you're a pretty large name in the truck industry. Everyone knows you on the gram. What does it mean to you being a huge player in the industry?
I kind of stand as a role model for a lot of girls in the truck industry, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun for sure.
So when y'all reached out to me, it was no doubt about it I was going to work with you guys.
Yeah.
To bring awareness to it is good because it's something that a lot of the times is unnoticed. You don't even know that what's going on in some people's lives, and they could show up here, they could be happy,
right?
But then when they go back, and especially with how times are now, there's jobs are down. People are struggling. This was the most exciting trip I've ever had, business-wise, is to come out here with you guys, and I would not think twice to come back out here and do another giveaway with you guys.
That's right. That's right. Well, we'll look forward to it for sure.
So basically, Miles, what's going to happen here is while we're driving go-karts, I'm also going to have questions for you. Talking or texting? Talking. Favorite city to visit? New York City. New York City, of all places. New York City. What's a nickname that your friends or family call you? Fat ass.
Myself and my partners are, really big on mental health and just making sure that the world's a better place, right? So it's kind of like, it's business, we want to make money, but you know what? Culturally, we want to make a difference. We're all lucky that we have, all the things we have, and if we're losing things, it's unfortunate, but God put us here to actually do something with that and make a difference, right?
Absolutely.
So blessed and huge opportunity.
Absolutely.
And can't wait to give that rad truck away.
That's gonna be
right?
wild,
Let's
dude.
go.
That's
Right?
gonna be sick.
Who's gonna win that truck?
That's right. We're giving away this 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty plus $20,000 cash.